who made it.
What's up, y'all? This your boy 254. This is our first day back on the bike after the accident. It's about 3 weeks later. Not to the date, but roughly. Feels good to be back, man. Feels good to be back. I bought this helmet and I don't like it. Like, it fits, but the visor, as I'm riding, like, the visor shakes and it makes like this weird vision impaired thing. It's like almost like you in the Matrix or some shit. Yeah, I don't like that shit. So I'm probably gonna be returning that helmet. I got it off of Amazon. Probably be better off just either going with a different style or I don't know. I mean, I would see damn near better off just putting some glasses on. Alright, so we finna lock up the bike. This is the only thing I kind of feel like I should have went with. I should have maybe went with like the security model. That way I wouldn't have to lock it every time. I mean, technically, like I don't know. Like, I know I wouldn't be bold enough to try to do that. Like, just walk up and get on somebody's shit and ride away. But let's be real. There's people that got a whole lot less. I also picked up these boots from Harley Davidson. Oh, shit. This motherfucker that came out? But it's the first day. Oh, them bitches going back. Fuck. We'll try it again. I guess I'll order. These look good, but nope. So we at Hobby Lobby. My boy in New York called me and was like, yo. Well, me in New York was talking. And he seen the shirt that I made. And he was like, bro, I need one of them shirts. I said, I got you. Say less. Say less. So, you know what I'm saying? You know how to dust off my stuff. Dust off my cutting machine and grab a couple shirts. Also got to run by Harbor Freight and go from there. So grabbed a couple shirts, one for my boy in New York and one for me because I've still yet to make like a shirt for this channel. The design is made, but I've yet to cut the shirt, so that'll be coming in future video. etc. Yeah, I think this is pretty much the only thing I needed up out of here. Alright, so got our shirts. Took a little minute. They was having some difficulties. But I be knowing, I be understanding, man. Working retail, customers sometimes get besides themselves. But they'll tell you the customer always right. So anyway, keep it pushing. Next stop is Harbor Freight. We'll go from there. But yeah, like I was saying, man, I do not too much care for this helmet. Just the way that it, for as much as I pay for the helmet, like that shit shouldn't be shaking like that. I will tighten it up, see if I can get rid of the shake, but yeah, that shit shouldn't be shaking. See, also, what else have I done? Oh, so I had an old iPod laying around the crib. The battery in it ain't no good, but as long as it's connected to power, it'll be all right. So I did put that in there just to see if it'll connect faster than Bluetooth. So I get it loaded up, and then we move into the next one. I haven't fooled with other than the bar mount. Like I said, I'm still waiting to see about that other one from that other company, but we'll see. We'll go from there. Damn, bitch, you riding all on the lines and shit? Fucking Toyota Corolla riding that bitch. Road rage on the bike. Not a good combination. All right, y'all, so let's just saddle up, and then, like I said, I'm tighten like this, like a little bit more, and see if I can't get that vibration to stop in the shades. Okay, so now we out here at Harbor Freight, man. All right, in my favorite store, we are not coming to get. We're not coming to get filters, not today. You're safe. You're safe today, little filters. Even though I could take them out the box and put them out in my saddlebag, but you're safe today. You live to fight another day. I got enough. What did I come in here for? So this is $4.69. I know if I put that bitch on Marketplace, I'm not gonna get that back. I might ask them what the return policy is. I did buy that bit back in January though, so I don't know. Hey, John. Hey, sir. I'm doing all right. Mini filter. Hot flow fitting. So, yeah, okay, they're over here. So, the Maryland joints. I don't know that I need 2 of them, but I'm gonna grab 2 anyway. And then it was a lead hose. I forgot the damn part number on that. It was only like, I think it was only like $6 or $7. I think this is it down here. No, that's the swivel one. I do not want the swivel one. I already have the swivel one. That's a swivel. That's a swivel. Okay, so this one is just the lead hose, period. Alright, so yeah, I think this is it. I thought it was cheaper. I thought it was more expensive than this, but I guess not. So I get that, 2 of those, and I want to say that's it. Yeah, it's really all I came for, these fittings and and then let me look around a little bit. So there was the stuff that I needed for like some of the anchor stuff. So I think if I get one of these, then that way I can screw wherever in the wall or whatever. So it's only like $4. I had that, and then I want to say that's it. See, that's like that O-ring assortment at fucking work. Very, very, very similar. I could probably fit them bad boys in the bag too. I don't need no O-ring right now, so I'll wait on it. The ribbed anchors though, because I am currently, I gotta hang pictures back up in the garage and shit, so those would definitely be of use. Let's see. And then they got these picture hanging assortments. Then I got the picture/mirror hanging assortment. I really just need some tacks. But if I use those there, then we should be good either way. Cause it's just 30 anchors, 30 screws. Well, 30 of the 6, 30 of the number 6, 30 of the number 8s, and then 23 of the number 10. So we should be good to go with those. All right, let's get the hell out of here. So we back at it. Got our Harbor Freight bag. Throw that in there, man, and we're gonna head the hell home. Get away from these crazy non-driving ass individuals. My boy told me I always check them, but try to make it a habit. Alright, man, so we finna go and slide to the house, and then I'm gonna see if it make a difference with this damn windshield or the visor. If I can't get the visor to stop shaking, that shit getting sent back. Alright, so I think I figured out like the easiest way to like unlock this. So when I unlock it, just leave the key in there while I do it versus just unlocking it and then taking it out. And that seems to have solved my problem. So little quick tip there. I don't know, maybe I'm just slow and I'm just now catching on, but that's what it is. All right, so like I was telling y'all when we was out at the store, and I recognized that this shit was broken. So that's the only one that's like that. And I mean, it could be, I mean, I don't know nothing about boots. As far as like the construction of them, I just know that when you pay over 100 something off for a pair of fucking boots, they're not supposed to do that. So maybe this was just a defective pair, etc., etc. But I'm gonna return the hose. As much as I like them, nah, bro. I give me some different black boots. Give me some different black boots, put me some red laces in them, and shit, be just as happy. And probably cost me a fraction of what I paid for these, for them to be coming apart like this. So, I don't know, Harley. Make sure y'all have, and like I said, this was my first time wearing them out. And fucking, like I said, that's the only one. And that's not even, I would think that one's not even one that has like a whole lot of fucking stress on it, because it's further down. It didn't happen on this one. This one's fine, but and it sucks. It sucks because I like them. I like them. But after this happened, do I like them enough to buy another pair? Nope. I do not. So long, glass. Too bad we didn't last too long. And hopefully these other boots I'm finna order will be better. But I'll keep y'all updated.